Nathan Cox, thanks for joining us around the home today. I'm going to show you guys how to take a screen out of your window. Now, this has gotten a little more complicated over the years. The older wooden windows used to just have two little spring tabs at the bottom of the screen. You'd squeeze in and pull the tabs, and you can yank it out. This here is a newer vinyl window, and honestly, let's go over and take a look, because I forget if it's a single hung or a double hung window. Okay, now some of you might be wondering, what the heck is a single hung or a double hung window to begin with, right? Okay. So that's actually pretty simple to answer. All right, you see, if your bottom pane window goes up and down, it's at least a single hung. The upper pane moves up and down, that's double hung. Pretty simple. But for a lot of these modern vinyl windows, getting the screen out kind of works the same way. Whether you're getting the screen out to rescreen it, which I'll be making a video of that here shortly, or if you're just getting it out just to clean the window really, really good. Okay, so this is kind of a pain in the butt. You want the window open just a little bit, and you should have a couple little spring tabs on either side of the window. I know the lighting is not good because light's coming in from the window, but you know, I think you know what I'm doing. Pulling the tabs and let the window pane fold out. Okay? Then from here, this screen has a couple locking tabs. All right? Make sure they're unlocked, and then you can pull it kind of forward and up and out. So I guess it's really not so hard as long as your window's working good. But if your window's getting stuck, you know, or if one side goes down and the other side kind of doesn't when you open it up, that's not good. So we're going to put it closed back, and you want to make sure that it's still level and square, or you're going to have some troubles here. Okay, I just got the new screen, and if you guys want to see how I did that, check out that video link at the top right of the screen, but otherwise we're going to stick it back in the hole. Okay, so just open that window back. Oops, actually just a little bit. What am I doing? And for some of you who didn't understand why I meant like one side could be unlevel because you just are taking it straight down and then opening it up, sometimes the springs act up a little bit and actually will pull one side up when you do this. And then it gets stuck because it's all kind of wedged out there. So I certainly hope that's not your window. Now slide it back in place, roll the clip up to hold it in place. Here we go. Locked, down, locked, and we're good to go. Thank you again so much for watching this video. I know it's a simple basic video, but sometimes we just need that because nobody showed us how to do it in the first place. So if you wouldn't mind sharing this video so other people can see it as well, taking a moment to subscribe to the channels. We're always making new videos, putting out new content. Checking out my website, hundreds of videos organized really well. And there's additional video for you to check out. You guys have a great one.